Welcome to TechUniverse. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting advancements of the 21st century, emerging drone technology. Have you ever wondered how drones are revolutionizing industries and reshaping the world? Well, get ready for a thrilling ride through the skies as we explore what drones are, how they're used, and where they're making the biggest impact. But before we dive into this exciting tech journey, make sure you subscribe to TechUniverse for all the latest innovations and jaw-dropping tech breakthroughs. Hit that subscribe button below. But before moving further, let's start today's quiz. Let's see how well you know your geography. Oh, and here's a fun quiz to keep things engaging. Which is the highest mountain range in the world? Comment your answer below, and if you get it right, we'll heart your comment. Stay tuned to the end for the answer. What is drone technology? So what exactly is drone technology? At its core, a drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, capable of flying autonomously or under remote control. Equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and GPS, drones are no longer just for hobbyists. They are sophisticated machines revolutionizing industries from product delivery and agriculture to military operations and filmmaking. How drones are used across industries. First up, product delivery. Companies like Amazon and UPS are testing drone fleets to deliver packages to your doorstep in record time. Imagine ordering something online and having it at your door in under 30 minutes. No need for trucks or traffic. In the military, drones are a game changer. They are used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat missions. Drones provide real-time data to troops on the ground, and some are even armed, reducing human risk in dangerous operations. When it comes to saving lives, drones play a critical role in search and rescue operations. After natural disasters like earthquakes or floods, drones equipped with thermal cameras and sensors can quickly locate survivors in areas that are hard to reach by humans. Time is of the essence, and drones help rescuers respond faster. Drones have revolutionized agriculture too. Farmers use drones to monitor crop health, manage water resources, and even spray pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. By analyzing aerial images, farmers can optimize their operations and increase crop yields, saving both time and resources. In the film industry, drones have opened up new creative possibilities. Directors now use drones to capture breathtaking aerial shots that were once only possible with expensive helicopters. From action scenes to stunning landscapes, drones bring a whole new level of cinematography to the big screen. Drones are also essential in construction and infrastructure. They help survey large construction sites, inspect bridges, and monitor progress, all with incredible speed and accuracy. This data helps engineers and architects make smarter decisions, reducing costs and improving safety. But the future of drones is even more exciting. Soon, you might see fleets of autonomous drones delivering groceries, inspecting power lines, or even transporting people in drone taxis. Some researchers are even working on drones that could explore Mars or other planets, gathering data in environments where humans can't go. And now, here's the answer to today's quiz. The highest mountain range in the world is the Himalayas, home to the magnificent Mount Everest, standing tall at 8,848 meters. Congrats to those who got it right. Look out for our hearts in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of drones. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below. And make sure to subscribe to TechUniverse to stay up to date with more cutting-edge tech discoveries. Subscribe now for more amazing tech content.